So yesterday I made one of these, and today I'm going to make an even longer one, but a little skinnier. I really like it. I have one more tool that needs a handle, so today this is what I'll be doing. After that, I'm going to be finish mounting my lathe tool onto the wall, and that's it. That will be today's event. So in order to do this, I need to basically put a I forgot what you call this. I need to put a it's one of those things that prevent the tool from splitting the wood. And what I'm doing right now is just taking a copper pipe and making my own ferrule. That's what this thing is called, ferrule. I am losing my memory here. There we go. So this will be my ferrule. It's going to be mounted in the front. I already measure out approximately how big the ferrule has to be. Slightly smaller. Yep, this is good enough. So, put this back and let's get the party rolling. And from here on, I won't be talking. I will just be doing this.